Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, facing issues with your PS5 controller's X button? It's super annoying when it doesn't respond or feels sticky, especially in the middle of a game. Many PlayStation 5 users encounter this, and it can really interrupt your gaming flow. But the good news is, you can often solve it yourself without needing a new controller. Let's dive into some effective troubleshooting tips that can get your X button working perfectly again. Let's begin with the simplest fixes. First, give your PS5 a full restart. Sometimes a fresh boot can clear minor glitches. Then, carefully power off your controller and turn it back on. Next, take a close look at the X button itself. Is there any visible grime, crumbs, or debris stuck around the edges? Gently try to dislodge anything you see. Also, it's a good idea to test your controller wired using a USB-C cable, just to see if it's a wireless connection issue. If physical checks don't solve it, let's look at software. First, always ensure your PlayStation 5 console has the very latest system software installed. Sony frequently releases updates that can fix bugs and improve performance. Then, equally important, check for any available firmware updates specifically for your DualSense controller. You can usually find this in the accessory settings. Lastly, try unpairing your controller completely from your PS5, then repair it. This often resets the connection, clearing up problems. Now for more advanced solutions. A powerful step is to perform a hard reset on your controller. Find the tiny pinhole on the back, near L2. Use a straightened paperclip to press inside for 5 seconds. You can also try rebuilding your PlayStation 5 database from safe mode. This can resolve system-level conflicts. If your X button is still unresponsive after these steps, it might be a hardware fault. At that point, consider contacting Sony support or checking your warranty options. To help prevent this issue from happening again, always try to keep your controller clean. Avoid eating or drinking directly over it while you're playing, as crumbs and spills are common culprits. Also, be mindful of how you handle your DualSense. Avoid dropping it or pressing buttons with excessive force. We hope one of these solutions has helped fix your X button, getting you back into your games without any interruptions. Enjoy your PlayStation 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.